what's going on. This morning we're back at Adair's and we're going out and doing another run with our club, Sussex Valley ATV Club, and we're going to be doing more work on the trails. I'm lucky today because with me I brought my my grandson here. His name is Van, and he's all excited to do some work as well. And as you can see, the crew here already. So before long, we're going to be out on the trails and we'll get some work done. We're putting a plan together this morning. There's quite a crew here now already. There's still a couple more just pulled in here. And I think we're going out in 3 groups today. Should get a lot done. So we're leaving Adair's now. I'm in behind Jeff and we're off to Pleasant Lake. This part of the trail's washed out pretty good. There's been some woods work going on around here. There's a small washout here. The beavers have cut that tree down. There's a small washout across the bridge here. Snow. So I'll put a bit of tape up here in the trees just to let people know there is a hazard ahead. Here's another small bridge and a bit of a beaver pond over there. Beautiful little beaver pond. It is kind of low right now, the water's low. The sign is kind of hidden by the trees. We're going to clean some trees out here and make it more visible. I can break this one.
3404. A little tight right around here. I was going to pick that up.
Never opened.
No?
No.
Crabby had the hole in it somewhere.
I'm guessing it was.
There. Looks pretty clean down there. Let's move on. Stop along here and have for lunch. It's a nice little spot, little stream. There's a bit of a hole. Head here. Another little bridge. Put a bit more caution tape up here. Somebody put some logs in there to keep us going for a while. Yeah, a little bit of a washout, but it's no big deal. Oh. Here we are, we're coming back to Adair's now. Coming out on 3402. That's where we went in there this morning. Small covered bridge that was washed out last fall in the storm. Just go and check it out and see how bad it actually is. We've got lots of time. This is one of the storage sheds that the club has. It's an old trailer with a roof on it, and the door keeps a lot of good stuff in there. They come in pretty handy. We just turned off of the old Shepherdie Road. The bridge is totally right off its base, spanning the stream. So we're going to have to put something back up in there. Here we can see the bridge is out and the trail is closed. The trail is going to remain closed for some time until we can get that bridge back up again or construct another one. There are ways around the bridge. Sitting high and dry. It was put up in 2009. We'll just take a walk through here. That's where the bridge is supposed to be.
Wow. I don't think there's much sense in trying to put that back in.
That's the Crow Brook, minus the bridge. Looks like the other crew has been through here already and cut away some trees. There is a bit of a washout over there.
That's just a curiosity question. Don't tell DOT.
This is part of 3410.
There, we're finished for the day. Done a little bit of work, cleaned up some bushes and cut some trees and flagged some bad spots. As you can see, there's a lot of damage done, and that's where a lot of your money, or most of your money, goes to pay for trails, your trail passes. That's where it goes to supply equipment and repairs for our trails. And that's only good for everybody because it makes them safe. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. It was part 2 of our series, two-part series of the trail maintenance in Sussex for the Sussex Valley ATV Club. So, enjoy the trails, stay safe.